Strong winds continue through the afternoon and likely through about mid-evening tonight, where some gusts could be over 45 miles an hour and continue to create additional power outages across the region. Light snow will continue up north as we gradually go through later this afternoon and this evening before withering away later on tonight. Beyond that, it is fair skies until sometime late Wednesday afternoon when the next system attempts to approach. So a few additional inches of snow for the White Mountains and the Great North Woods. Elsewhere, it is fair skies. Temperatures, which are holding steady for the most part, will start to slide late this afternoon, and ultimately we will drop all the way back between 0 and 17 later tonight, with winds still gusting over 30 miles an hour. It'll be a brisk day on Tuesday with high temperatures only in the teens to lower half of the 20s, so wind chills will likely be in the single digits above and below 0 into the afternoon despite the sunshine. And we will likely start Wednesday with sunshine, only to add clouds. And the next quick moving system looks to bring a little band of light snow in our direction sometime late Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night before wrapping up very early Thursday morning. Strongest of the winds and some gusts over 45 miles an hour through 8 or 9 o'clock this evening before going down to some gusts occasionally over 35 miles an hour through the pre-dawn hours, and gusts tomorrow over 30 miles an hour with the colder air continuing to funnel in. And you can see what that does to wind chills here going forward. Later this afternoon, single digits above and below 0, and most areas are sub-0 early tomorrow morning before eventually attempting to kind of come out of that a little bit as the coldest of the air starts to rotate in out of southern parts of Canada. So high temperatures basically now, but falling as the afternoon wears on, with occasional areas of light snow up north, anywhere between 0 and 17 from north to south tonight. Fair skies through Wednesday afternoon. We get late in the day and into Wednesday night. A little area of light snow will be moving through. It'll wrap up very early Thursday morning, and then the next system looks to be on Saturday as a mixture of rain and snow.